What's up, everybody? It's been some time I don't record any video and put it here on YouTube, but here's a glimpse of what I'll call the version 2 of the flight simulator, the joystick, the yoke of my flight simulator. So I had to disassemble everything because I didn't have so much space where I'm living now. So this is a little box, as you can see, and I just assembled everything here. I still have some things to finish, like the way the yoke itself would be mounted here. So it will be mounted on both of these pipes here. Okay, so it's gonna be mounted here in the middle, and here to guide everything, this pipe will be here, so it will have a guide, so it won't be playing around. And this is the second version. I think I can call it that way, and I'll be posting more videos in the next few days or weeks. I don't know. It depends on how I will work with this. So this is the second version, a little more lighter, smaller. I think it's from front to back. I have less than half the size I had before, and in front I have like 2/3 of the size I had before. So I think this will be lighter, smaller, and easier to deal with in the day by day. So that's the thing I wanted to do since the start, but I didn't have so much notion of what to do, and now I'm trying to do this. And I think I'll post more videos in the next few days as I go as I finish this project, version 2. So I'll post more things for you to see, to copy everything that I'm doing, because my intention is not to do something to sell, it's to do something that can be built for a very cheap price. And I think that's my goal, because for example here in my country, the cheapest one you can buy as a yoke, not a joystick, is around 1,500 reais, and that's a little prohibitive for most of the people. So I think I can build this with less than 100 or 200 reais, depending on what you have in your house. For example, if you need the Arduino, you're gonna pay a little more just to buy the Arduino and all this stuff. But if you have Arduino and all other electric things, probably you're not spending more than 50 reais. It's around, I don't know, a little more than $10 without the Arduino. But you can make the conversion. But this is the version 2 of my yoke, and I'll be posting more videos in the days to come. Okay, see you in the next video.